Right, to sum things up, this car is absolutely brilliant. It's got plenty of power, and yeah, the handling is awesome. But I did bring it on a gravel car park, and it did lock up the back wheels. I think the front ones, and it also did the same with the steering. But apart from those issues, I moved to a tarmac car park, really smooth, and yeah, it revealed its full potential. So if you would like one of these, it will be in the description where you can get one from. And I do recommend it. I'm not sure if it's worth the money because the body is quite brittle, although that was driver error because I crashed it. But yeah, getting rocks stuck in it and things like that limits where you drive it. So I think it is worth the money because of the speed. But if it wasn't fast, I'll just say don't bother because you want to drive a rally car like in the gravel. But apart from that, it's awesome. If you want to start driving faster ones, maybe get one of these. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.